Hey my loves, welcome back once again to my channel. In today's video we'll be making Afro ponytail using mailey braids. Okay, we just need this and an elastic band. Okay, sorry I do not have any dummies. I'm using my door handle. Okay, if you are new to this channel, please hit the subscription button. I do vlogs, DIYs and hair tutorials. All right, and my returning subbies, you guys are amazing. All right, let's head into today's video. But it must not be mailey braids. Okay, you can use any other coily. Just take a single strand. You can see. All you need is just to pass it in the hole like this, yeah, and you tie it. See, we are tying a shoelace or something. And there we go. Make sure you grab everything, then twist it out. Gotcha. Okay, so continue the process. Open first before you tie. I think I'll just go with this other thing. This one is faster and simple for me.